So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add black bars in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up iMovie. On there you can see you can start a new project underneath. You can also open up the existing projects you have. So let's open one of the projects on here, which is a video. Now if I wish to add black bars, I will need to download the black bars image. You can find that on your browser images and click on black bars. One of the first things that will pop up will be black bars, so just open it up and you can find it on here. Just make sure to add it as a picture in picture. So on here you can add some stuff to it so it looks a bit more like this. If you want it to be transparent, make sure that your video isn't worked on that much. So if it has a lot of stuff underneath it, it's going to just be as an addition to it, and you can always drag to position it and stuff like that. And you can see now it takes up the entire screen, but the black bars aren't still there. And one of the important things is that your video fits to size. So when you do something like this, so if you try to make it full screen, then it may be easier for you to add black bars. Just make sure that you have the correct photo added in picture and on there just expand as I did previously. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.